Hello friends, today we will discuss about acidity of phenols. We know phenols are weakly acidic in nature. We have also seen some of the chemical reactions proving acidic nature of phenols. So when phenol is treated with base like sodium hydroxide or sodium metal, it produces salt, that is sodium phenoxide, and both these reaction proves the acidic nature of phenol. When we compare the acidity of phenol with alcohols and other carboxylic acids, so phenols are much more acidic as compared to alcohol. It is explained on the basis of these Ka values here. But phenols are less acidic as compared to carboxylic acids or even carbonic acids. In this table, some of the Ka values are given. So from that Ka value, we can see phenols having Ka value 10 to the power minus 10 and alcohols having Ka value 10 to the power minus 18. So phenols are more acidic as compared to alcohols. But see the Ka values of carbonic acid, that is H2CO3, and carboxylic acid 10 to the power minus 5. So compared to these two acids, that is carbonic acid and carboxylic acids, phenols are less acidic. Here it is explained why phenols are actually more acidic as compared to alcohol. So phenols are acidic due to the formation of stable phenoxide ion in aqueous solution. We will explain it by considering the ionization of alcohol and phenol. When alcohol is ionized, that will produce alkoxide ion, that is Ro minus, with the loss of this proton. So this particular bond will break, hydrogen will lost as a proton, and that electron pair is transferred to oxygen to produce this alkoxide ion. Similarly, in phenol, OH bond break, with the loss of this H positive, that is proton, it produces this phenoxide ion. When we compare the structure of this alkoxide ion and phenoxide ion is more stable because of the resonance which present in the structure of phenoxide ion. We can draw these 5 resonance structure for phenol, and we can show the transfer of electrons. Here that transfer of electrons are shown by arrows. So when this lone pair which is present on oxygen, that is phenoxide ion, extra lone pair that will be transferred on oxygen. So when it is transferred here between carbon and oxygen, so we will get double bond, and because of that transfer, this pi bonded electron in the benzene ring will be transferred on this carbon. So you will get negative charge on carbon, and then similarly those electrons will be shifted here. So these pi electrons will be shifted over this carbon. So negative charge will on this carbon, and similarly we can draw the 5 resonance structures by shifting of these electrons as shown in the given figure. Observe these structures properly. These negative charge or that electrons are shifted at ortho and para position. This is important because when we see in the next part of this particular topic why that ortho and para position is important. So see this, the electron dispersal when it is taking place on benzene ring, so that is generally at ortho position or at para position. This is again at ortho position. So notice that negative charge is spread throughout the benzene ring and thereby effectively dispersed, and because of that dispersal of negative charge, phenoxide ion get stabilized. This charge delocalization is the stabilizing factor in the phenoxide ion. On the other hand, there is no such resonance exist in alkoxide ion, which is derived from alcohol. Negative charge is concentrated on a single oxygen atom, and hence alcohols are much weaker acids than phenols. So here we can draw 5 resonance structure for this phenoxide ion, but there is no such resonance structure for alkoxide ion. More the resonance structure, more will be the stability. So phenoxide ions are more stable as compared to alkoxide ion, and hence these phenols are more acidic as compared to alcohols. Then we will study effect of substituents on the acidity of phenol. We have compared the acidity of phenols with alcohols and carboxylic acid and carbonic acid. Now, among the phenols, there are some factors that will affect the acidity. Stability of phenoxide ion depend on stability of its reactant and product. Any factor which will increase the stability of phenoxide ion, that will also increase the acidity of phenols. So, factors which affects the acidity of phenol are: 1. Nature of substituent, that means whether it is electron donating or electron withdrawing substituent, and position of substituent, where it is situated, whether it is situated at ortho, meta or para positions. So these two factors affect the acidity of phenols. First we will see about nature of substituent. As phenoxide ions are negatively charged, so when we attach electron withdrawing group, that will stabilize that phenoxide ion because it is negatively charged. So electron withdrawing substituents such as nitro, cyano, halogens, that is chlorine, bromine and iodine. So these electron withdrawing substituents stabilizes the phenoxide ion by the dispersal of negative charge on it, and thus increases the acidity of phenols. On the other hand, electron releasing groups such as amino, hydroxyl, alkyl groups, so they will destabilize the phenoxide ion because they increase the negative charge on it, and thus decreases the acidity of phenols. So in short, we can say electron withdrawing group increases the stability of phenoxide ion and also increases the acidity of phenols, while electron donating or electron releasing group destabilizes the phenoxide ion and also decreases the acidity of phenols. Here it is shown diagrammatically. Suppose we attach electron withdrawing group. As it is negatively charged, electron withdrawing group stabilizes that anion. And these are the examples when G is equals to cyano, nitro, aldehyde, X, COR, COOR, NR2. These are the examples of electron withdrawing group. When these electron withdrawing groups are attached, stability of phenoxide ion increased and they also increases the acidity of phenols. While when this G is electron donating like amino or OH or alkyl groups, so that will decreases the stability of phenoxide ion and also decreases the acidity of phenols. Now position of substituent is also matter. We have already seen in the various structures, resonance structures of phenoxide ion, that negative charge is particularly, or that electrons particularly transferred on ortho and para position. So ortho and para positions are more important as compared to meta position. So the position of substituent also influences the acidity of phenols. Presence of electron withdrawing and electron donating group is more pronounced at ortho and para positions than at meta position. The reason is simply because of the resonance structures that we obtain at ortho and para position. No electron pair is shifted at meta position. This is due to that resonance effect, that structures we have already seen. When nitro group, for example, is able to delocalize negative charge on phenoxide ion more effectively when it is present at ortho or para position as below. So it is shown in this particular diagram. Here, similar to that phenoxide ion, when we consider that nitro group is present at ortho position. So here you can observe in one of the structure that negative charge is also beared or it transferred to the oxygen of nitro group. So one extra resonance structures can be drawn in case of that nitrophenoxide ion when it is present at ortho position. Similarly, at para position also, here also in one of the structure negative charge is beared or transferred to the oxygen of that nitro group. But in meta position, that cannot be transferred according to that resonance structure. Negative charge that cannot be dispersed on that oxygen of nitro group. So one resonance structure is less. So here we can say for ortho and para nitrophenoxide ions, conjugation is extended up to oxygen atom of nitro group. But no such conjugation is possible for meta nitrophenoxide ion. So meta nitrophenoxide ion has only 4 contributing structures. Thus, greater the resonance stabilization occurs in ortho and para anions than the meta isomer. That ortho and nitrophenols are much more stronger acids than meta nitrophenol, and hence the acidity sequence will be para nitrophenol is more acidic than ortho nitrophenol, which is more acidic than meta nitrophenol. Similarly, if electron donating group is there, so that will effect is less at that meta position. Hence, metacresol is more acidic than paracresol, that will be more acidic than orthocresol. As cresol means methyl group is attached to phenol, it is electron donating group, so effect is opposite. It may be noted that number of electron withdrawing or electron releasing substituents that can also affect the acidic strength of phenol. More the number of electron withdrawing or electron donating group, that will increase or decrease the acidity of phenols in that particular sequence. For example, 2,4,6-trinitrophenol is more acidic than 2,4-dinitrophenol, which is more acidic than 2-nitrophenol. So here only one electron withdrawing group is there, here 2 electron withdrawing groups are there, and here there are 3 electron withdrawing groups. So some phenols having electron withdrawing groups in the ortho position are weaker than para position. So this is the reason is that orthonitro and orthofluorophenol, they are weaker than paranitrophenol because they form hydrogen bonding when they are present at ortho position. So it can be observed in these 2 structures, this orthofluorophenol and orthonitrophenol, they form hydrogen bonding and hence they are weaker as compared to that para isomer. So this is all about the acidity of phenols. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also kindly share this video. Thank you very much.